Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger not connecting to the internet issue on iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, restart your Messenger app. So after this the next solution is disable low data mode on your iPhone. So for this, open settings, tap on Wi-Fi, tap on the eye icon. So here is low data mode. So guys, if you have enabled low data mode on your Wi-Fi, so turn this off. So after this, then next solution is turn off VPN. If you have connected any VPN on your iPhone, so turn this off VPN. So like I have this VPN. So guys, if you have connected any VPN on your iPhone, so disconnect VPN. So after disconnecting VPN, the next solution is reset network settings. So for this, open settings, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode. So reset network setting. So after this, the next solution is update the app. So after for the update app, open App Store, go to the search section and search here Messenger. So here is the Messenger. So guys, if you haven't updated your Messenger app, so update your Messenger app first. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.